Tiruvan University 2079 partial exam, bachelor level, 4 years program, science and technology, BSc first year, analytical geometry and vector analysis, math 102 question paper, full marks 75, time 3 hours, new course, math, new course. There are two groups. Group A is of 35 marks and group B is of 40 marks. Attempt all the question. Group A. Question number 1. Find the nature of the conic represented by the equation 36 x square plus 24 xy plus 29 y square minus 72 x plus 136 y plus 81 equal to 0 and trace it. Marks 4 plus 3. Or question, so that the conic x square minus 4xy plus y square minus 2x minus 20y minus 11 equal to 0 is a hyperbola. Also show that minus 7 minus 4 is the center and find its equation refer to the center. Marks 5 plus 2. Question number 2. Define hyperbola. Obtain the equation of hyperbola in standard form. Prove that the difference of focal distances of any point on the hyperbola is constant and is equal to its transverse axis. Marks 1 plus 4 plus 2. Question number 3. Derive the equation of the straight line at x1, y1, z1 in symmetrical form. Prove that the line x minus 1 upon 2 equal to y minus 2 upon 3 equal to z minus 3 upon 4 and 4x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0 equal to 5x minus 3z plus 2 are coplanar. Also find their point of intersection. Marks 3 plus 3 plus 1. Question number 4. Find the condition for the general equation of the second degree x square plus by square plus cz square plus 2fyz plus 2gzx plus 2hxy plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0 to represent a cone. Also find equation of the cone whose vertex is at the origin. Marks 5 plus 2. Or question, define sphere. Find the equation of a tangent plane at any point alpha beta gamma of the sphere. Also find the condition of tangency. Marks 1 plus 4 plus 2. Question number 5. So that the necessary and sufficient condition for the vector function vector v of the scalar variable to have constant magnitude is v into delta v dv upon dt equal to 0. Also if dA upon dt equal to vector c cross vector a and dv upon dt equal to vector c into vector b. So that d upon dt vector a cross vector b equal to vector c cross vector a cross vector b. Group B. Marks 10 into 4 equal to 40. Question number 6. What does the equation of the straight line 7x square plus 4xy plus 4y square equal to 0 becomes when the axes are turned through 45 degree, the origin remaining fixed? Marks 4. Question number 7. Prove that the locus of the pole with respect to the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1 of any tangent to the auxiliary circle is the curve x square upon a power 4 plus y square upon b power 4 equal to 1 upon a square. Marks 4. Or question, so that the locus of the middle points of the tangents to the hyperbola x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equal to 1 intercepted between the axes is 4x square y square equal to a square y square minus b square x square. Marks 4. Question number 8. If PS P dash and QS Q dash are two perpendicular focal chords of a conic, then prove that 1 upon PP dash plus 1 upon QQ dash is constant, where S is the pole of the conic. Marks 4. Question number 9. Find the center and the radius of circle in which the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 8x plus 4y plus 8z minus 45 equal to 0 is cut by the plane x minus 2y plus 2z equal to 3. Marks 4. Question number 10. So that the plane 14x plus 5y equal to 16 minus 9z touches the ellipsoid 7x square plus 5y square equal to 60 minus 3z square and find the point of contact. Marks 4. Or question, obtain the equation of the cylinder which passes through y square equal to 4x, z equal to 0 and whose generators are parallel to the line x equal to y equal to z. Marks 4. Question number 11. Find the equation of a sphere having the circle x square plus y square plus z square equal to 9, x minus 2y plus 2z equal to 5 is a great circle. Marks 4. Or question, find the equation of the sphere which passes through the points 0 minus 2 minus 4, 2 minus 1 minus 1 and whose center lies on the line 4y plus 2z equal to 0 equal to 2x minus 3y. Marks 4. Question number 12. प्रुभ द्याट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बीवाई स्क्वायर प्लस 6z स्क्वायर प्लस 2ux प्लस 2by प्लस 2wz प्लस d इक्वल टू 0 represents a cone if u square upon a plus b square upon b plus w square upon c equal to d. Marks for question number 13. If vector A is a unit vector, then prove that magnitude of vector A cross derivative of vector A equal to magnitude of derivative of vector A with respect to t. Marks for question number 14. Prove that the lines vector R cross vector A equal to vector B cross vector A and vector R cross vector B equal to vector A cross vector B intersect and find the point of intersection. Marks for question number 15. If C not equal to 0 and vector A and vector B be given non-zero vectors such that vector A is perpendicular to vector B, find vector x which satisfy the equation vector A dot vector x equal to C and vector A cross vector x equal to vector B. Marks for our question. If vector A, vector B, vector C equal to 0, then prove that vector A cross B, vector B cross C, vector C cross A equal to 0. Marks for math old course. Attend all the questions. Here are two groups. In group A, there are given 5 questions. Each question has marks 7 and total marks of group A is 35. And in group A, 2 or question is given. In group B, here are given 10 questions. Each question has mark 4 and total marks of group B is 40. And 3 or questions are given in group B. Read carefully all questions and solve all questions. BSc फर्स्ट इयरदेखि BSc फोर्थ इयरसम्मका जुनसुकै विषयका प्रश्नपत्र चाहिएमा वी लर्न टुगेदर 1am को प्लेलिस्ट BSc मेटेरियल एन्ड क्वेसन पेपरमा गई गर्नुहोला र ती क्वेसनको हेल्पले प्रिपरेसन राम्रो गरी इक्जाम राम्रो गर्नुहोला। वी लर्न टुगेदर 1am भित्रका सम्पूर्ण भिडियोलाई लाइक कमेन्ट सब्सक्राइब र सेयर गर्न नभुल्नुहोला। तपाईँको कुनै जिज्ञासा भए कमेन्टमा लेख्दै जानुहोला, त्यसलाई फुलफिल गर्ने काम म गर्दै जानेछु। धन्यवाद।